And the other unusual thing about you and your generation, sorry to use that expression.
No, it's okay.
Is that you've had the same competition for more than 20 years, more than 25 years, in fact, the three Khans.
Yeah, I mean, it's very strange that we all started. I started a little later than them. They've been there 4 years before me.
Right.
So to me, they are seniors. As वो Mumbai film industry में बड़ा होता है senior, junior और सब. तो वो 4 साल पहले से यहाँ पे थे. Actually, when I came to Mumbai, we were not competitors because they were already very big stars and they were someone, I'm sure, people who were helping me out were thinking to emulate. But I think the three of us made our own spaces. Three of us have our own little lives. Three of us have our own films. And I think at this point, the competition is, चल तेरी अच्छी है तो मैं उससे अच्छी करके दिखाता हूँ. Only business-wise, I think. Creatively, I think three of us are. I think so because that has now become a mudda. Like you say, everybody talks about a number. So obviously, हम भी human हैं, touch हो ही जाता है. तो I'm sure वो एक दिमाग में रहता होगा. But personally, if you ask me, the three of us are very different actors.
But have you mellowed over time also in the way you relate to each other?
I think we were really mellow when we met earlier. We had our spaces because, Salman was someone whose family looked after my family when I came to Mumbai. Amir was always the more intelligent one that you turn to a plate chess with. कि यार हमें थोड़ा problem है समझाओ यार. And then slowly, I think.
There to help Vishwanathan Anand.
Yeah. Actually, मेरे साथ बहुत खेलता था Amir chess.
I see.
लेकिन अब बहुत अच्छा हो गया है वो. So I'm not taking a chance with him. But I think somewhere as the years went by, people convinced us कि हमारा बहुत बड़ा competition है. 2 साल हुआ, 4 साल हुआ, 25 साल हो गया है. I think now we are back to कि अब हम साथ ही चलेंगे यार. ऐसा वो कुछ triumvirate बोलते हैं, trio बोलते हैं. और इंशाल्लाह ऐसे ही रहे. I think it would be really nice if the three of us are together. So there is a.
Hindi cinema has a trinity. It's all three Khans, all three Muslims.
हाँ, I've never seen it like that, but yeah, ऐसा trinity है. 3 pillars अगर बोले, it feels nice now, and we are mellowed about that. I don't think we have.
But you're also getting calmed down with each other in terms of you relate to each other.
Yeah, we've always been very courteous personally, and we've had our issues because everyone should have. ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता. We've had our little fights and tiffs also. कभी ऊपर नीचे भी हुआ है, झगड़ा भी हुआ है, गाली गलौज भी हुई है. But I think now it has reached a stage where.
What's the worst phase you've had with each of them?
I think एक बार कुछ आमिर ने कुछ एक दिन कुछ ऐसा अपने sense of humor में कुछ कह दिया. Maybe my sense of humor, actually sometimes, and I understand it now, and I've started using it less. I used to joke. I assuming कि दोस्ती है यार तो कर सकता हूँ. But I think when you have your own status, you have your own children, you have your own friends, कभी-कभी अरे यार तेरे बारे में ऐसा बोल दिया. So maybe ज़्यादा तीखा था, गलत था. So I'm sorry about it in my head now, and I don't do it. I think somewhere.
You were thin-skinned.
I have a sense of humor, and if you joke about me, I'm okay with it. But maybe everybody's not. One has to be, everybody's made differently. Right. You can crack a joke on me just now, but I'll be alright. And do I also have the right to do it with you or not? It's okay. Like I do it actually on your functions, on the screen awards and all. It's tongue in cheek and it's funny. मैं theatre का हूँ, थोड़ा sense of humor ऐसा है. But then I realized that वो गलत है. So I think once he wrote something, but he was decent enough to come and apologize. He came and apologized to my kids actually, which was very sweet. He said, यार वो गलती हो गया यार. वो मैंने मजाक में लिखा, वो मजाक ठीक नहीं बैठा. Something about the name of a dog or something. Salman we had a tiff I think 4-5 years ago. We just had some issues on talking. I think हमने.
Issues on talking means?
कुछ उसने बोल दिया, मैंने बोल दिया, दोनों थोड़े से पठान हो गए कि ऐसी की तैसी तेरी ऐसी की तैसी चल जो भी रहते अभी दोस्ती नहीं होगी जैसे फिल्मों में होता है. एंड थोड़ी बहुत प्यार है एक्चुअली. आई थिंक जब बहुत प्यार होता है.
पठान है दिल्ली के.
ऐसा मैं पेशोरी पठान हूँ. मैं तो एकदम प्योर हूँ. दिल्ली में रहा हूँ. बट मैं उठ के हम झगड़ा हो गया. आई थिंक बट वी रियलाइज्ड एंड वी ऑलवेज मेंटेन दैट फाइट्स आर नॉट गोइंग टू लास्ट. फाइट विल नॉट आउटलास्ट अस. दैट्स फॉर श्योर. एंड आई थिंक एट दिस पॉइंट वी आर ऑल काइंड ऑफ ओके विद ईच अदर एंड happy.
You appeared at Salman's sister's wedding.
I didn't go for Salman's sister's wedding. I went for my sister's wedding, and that's how I see it. I was just telling her last night. We were here actually. We were here, and I was telling her she was so small when I met her, and I've held her in my arms. And somebody asked me actually at a press conference. I didn't even know. See how you love each other, and this important aspect one doesn't know. समझे अरे सलमान की बहन की शादी है और आपको बुलाया है कि नहीं बुलाया है. ऐसे नहीं भी बुलाया होगा तो मैं तो जाऊंगा. And so strange, he had just been calling in the morning. So we have a lot of love, and I think you just needed an occasion or an excuse to say we didn't need anyone else, and that's what is wonderful about Amir actually. Between all this, he talks to him and I talk to him, but never did he say, "यार मैं तुम तीनों को करूँगा." It had to be amongst us. we needed an excuse to be together
Bilateral,
again.
as we said.
हाँ, वो
Pakistan.
bilateral नहीं था हमारा ऐसा था कि हमें बस एक बहाना चाहिए
हाँ.
और इंशाल्लाह ऐसी चीज़ों में बहाना मिल जाए एंड इतना खूबसूरत बहाना. We just needed one little excuse. We didn't need anyone else to tell us to be friends. We just needed an excuse actually.